When you don't sleep well, your brain will literally begin eating itself. Researchers found that prolonged sleep loss causes the brain's immune cells to go into overdrive, potentially leading to long-term damage. The brain's glial cells, responsible for housekeeping functions, become hyperactive in sleep-deprived mice. Astrocytes, which normally eliminate unnecessary synapses, begin breaking down more brain connections and debris in sleep-deprived animals. While this may initially serve as a protective mechanism, clearing potentially harmful debris and rebuilding worn circuitry, it could be detrimental in the long run. Microglial cells, which remove damaged cells and debris, also show increased activity after chronic sleep deprivation. This is particularly concerning, as excessive microglial activity has been linked to various brain disorders, including Alzheimer's disease and other forms of neurodegeneration. The research suggests that sleep loss triggers astrocytes to start breaking down more of the brain's connections and their debris, with portions of synapses literally being eaten by astrocytes due to sleep loss. Most of this remodeling appears to target larger, more mature synapses that are used more intensively. It's still unclear whether getting more sleep could reverse the effects of sleep deprivation. The findings may explain why lack of sleep increases vulnerability to dementia and other neurological disorders. Notably, Alzheimer's deaths have increased by 50% since 1999, highlighting the potential link between sleep deprivation and neurodegenerative diseases. Sleep plays a crucial role in maintaining brain health and function, serving as a vital period for neural restoration and cognitive processing. During sleep, the brain undergoes essential maintenance tasks, clearing away toxic byproducts accumulated during wakefulness and consolidating memories. Research has shown that sleep deprivation can lead to impaired cognitive function, decreased attention span, and reduced problem-solving abilities. Chronic sleep loss may contribute to the development of neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's disease. Sleep allows for the strengthening of neural connections important for learning and memory formation while pruning unnecessary synapses to optimize brain function. The glymphatic system, which removes waste products from the brain, is particularly active during sleep, highlighting its importance in maintaining neural health. Adequate sleep also supports emotional regulation, with sleep-deprived individuals often experiencing mood swings, irritability, and increased stress levels. The brain's plasticity, or its ability to adapt and change, is enhanced during sleep, facilitating learning and skill acquisition. Different sleep stages serve unique purposes, with REM sleep being particularly important for creativity and emotional processing, while slow-wave sleep contributes to physical restoration and memory consolidation. Sleep also plays a role in hormone regulation, including those that affect appetite, stress response, and growth. Insufficient sleep has been linked to increased risk of obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases, emphasizing its importance beyond just cognitive function. Furthermore, sleep supports the immune system, with sleep-deprived individuals being more susceptible to infections and illnesses. The brain's energy consumption is carefully regulated during sleep, allowing for the replenishment of energy stores depleted during wakefulness. This process is crucial for maintaining optimal cognitive performance and overall brain health. In essence, sleep is not merely a period of inactivity, but a dynamic state that is fundamental to our brain's ability to function effectively, adapt to new experiences, and maintain long-term health.